What if a robot didn't just move with its body, but used its body to do math? Like instead of asking a computer, it just goes, "Hold on, let me crawl through this equation real quick." Most robots work like this. Sensors collect information, software makes a decision, and motors follow orders. That works, but it can also mean more electronics, more code, and more things that can fail in harsh places. This paper asks a much stranger question. What if part of the thinking could happen inside the robot's physical structure itself? The researchers built a crawling robot out of a special pattern of connected hexagons. When vibrations move through that structure, the robot's body reshapes the signal. In simple terms, the body is acting like a physical calculator. Not because it is thinking like a human, but because its shape changes how information moves through it. Think of it like pouring water through different pipes. Change the pipe shape, and the water comes out differently. Here, instead of water, it's vibration. And instead of a pipe, it's the robot's body. The wild part is that this body calculator can do different kinds of operations. The paper shows mechanical versions of things like derivatives, integrals, convolution, logic operations like AND and XOR, and even matrix-style operations. Basically, math that normally belongs in software is being partly handled by the robot's material structure. And they didn't stop at a tabletop demo. They connected those physical calculations to movement. Depending on the output signal, the robot could crawl straight, turn left, turn right, move faster, or follow a target path. It also showed practical movement behaviors: obstacle avoidance, sharp turns, load carrying, gap crossing, and slope climbing. So this isn't just, "Look, we made a weird calculator." It's a robot where the body helps decide how it moves. What I like about this is that it challenges the usual idea that intelligence has to live in a processor. Sometimes, smarter robots might come from smarter bodies. This could matter in places where electronics struggle, like high heat, radiation, or rough environments, where a purely software-heavy robot may not be ideal. So here's the question. Would you rather have a robot with a smarter computer, or a robot whose body does part of the thinking?